Hi guys, welcome to EaseUS channel. Today we'll be discussing a common issue many gamers face, the Xbox game bar not working. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 solutions. The first solution is the most efficient and easiest, and if you are in a hurry to finish your current job, it is recommended to use the first solution to finish your work, and then you can spend time trying other solutions in this video, as the remaining 3 options require some computer knowledge and are more difficult than the first option. But in any case, I suggest you at least try the first method that saves you the most time. Now, let's get started. The first solution is to use the Xbox Game Bar alternative, EaseUS RecExperts. It is a fantastic screen recording software for Mac and Windows that records your screen and audio in stunning quality. The second solution is to check if the game bar is enabled or not. You can follow my steps to have a try. First, let's press the Windows and I or use the search box to open settings. Then click on Gaming Options on the left panel of the screen and navigate to Xbox Game Bar Settings. You will see the Allow your controller to open game bar, so we must ensure that it is turned on. If it's not, you can turn it on by tapping the On or Off button. The third solution is to check the registry editor. First, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to summon the Run app. Then tap Reset in the dialog box and press OK. Then navigate to the location, or you can copy and paste this location into the navigation bar. This location will appear in the description below. Then we need to right-click and select this option from the displayed options. Double-click on the new value and change the value from 0 to 1. After that, restart your Xbox to see if this issue is resolved. If both of the previous fixes don't work, it is time for you to repair or reset the Xbox game bar. Open Settings again and click on Apps option. Then enter the installed apps. Tap Xbox to find Xbox Game Bar, then click on Advanced Options from the menu. In the Advanced Options, you can see both the Repair and Reset options. Click on Repair button if it does not resolve your issues. Click on Reset button. That's it. It is believed that these fixes can help you address the problem. Don't forget to share your experience with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.